In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design an ad post on Canva with the help of Chatgpt. We'll be using Chatgpt together with the Canva app connection to quickly generate ad copy and turn it into a ready-to-edit design document. This is a simple workflow that can save you time, especially if you want help writing promotional text before styling it inside Canva. First, go to Chatgpt and make sure Canva is already connected to your account. This part is important because the Canva integration needs to be available before you can generate anything directly through the app. If Canva is connected properly, you'll be able to use it from inside ChatGPT without switching back and forth too much. Once you're inside ChatGPT, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. That's where you'll find the navigation menu with additional tools and connected apps. From there, click on Apps. This opens the area where you can browse the integrations available to use in your chat. In the search bar, type Canva, then click on Canva from the results. This will open the Canva app page inside ChatGPT. When you see the option, click Start Chat. That begins a new conversation with Canva enabled, so your prompt can be used to help generate content in a Canva-friendly format. Now you can start writing your prompt. The key here is to be specific. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to act as a professional copywriter and create a short Facebook ad for a summer sale offering 20% off digital marketing courses. You can also request 3 options, each with a strong hook, clear benefits, and a call to action. A prompt like this gives the tool enough direction to produce useful marketing copy that's ready to turn into a design. After entering your prompt, click Send Prompt. ChatGPT will process the request, and Canva will create a document immediately based on that input. This makes the process much faster because you're not starting from a blank page. Instead, you're beginning with content already generated for your ad, which you can then refine visually inside Canva. At this point, you'll have a Canva document created from your prompt, giving you a strong starting place for your ad post. If you want better results, spend a little extra time making your prompt clear and focused, because the quality of your output often depends on the instructions you give. And that's how to design an ad post on Canva with the help of ChatGPT.